Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. I'm realizing I don't have my lights on and that's why I looked into the viewfinder and it looked really strange. Okay, I have them on above me, you really can't see them, but it kind of makes a difference in the overall lighting that I kind of do. So guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited for today's video. It's going to be trying out some products that I just picked up from Ulta, and some of them are new. Let's see, I think one thing is not new, but most everything else is new to the market. So I do already have on foundation and concealer, and I put on some cream contour because we have a new cream blush to try out. And then I'll set my face and stuff. So I'll pull back my hair or my bangs and we'll get started, guys. So I picked up one of the new NARS cream blushes. Now I really don't own much of anything from NARS, but whenever I saw this released, I was like, I really want to try this. So here's what the packaging looks like. It is really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. It's a really pretty pinky, peachy shade. I think it is so pretty. I'm just going to go straight into it. I am going to use my normal brush that I use for cream blush, which is just the e.l.f. brush. I'm going to just pick up what I had on my hand here. And I'm just going to kind of apply a little bit more to my brush. I need my mirror. I really hope this doesn't like pick up my foundation or anything. Otherwise, I will be returning because NARS is not cheap. So that's like what one cheek looks like. I need to turn this up just a little bit. Maybe that's help. Don't have it such a warm light. I love trying out cream blushes, but I really hate it whenever they pick up my makeup. I feel like this one did pretty good. It's really hard to kind of tell until I like set my face. It's not as pigmented as I would like. I like a little bit more of a punchier blush, but this is really pretty. I like it a lot. I might just add a tad bit more. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because next I have a new brow product from Essence, and then this brow, what is this called? Well, it's the REM brow gel. I have heard really good things about this, so I had to pick up both of these. This is not a new release, but the Essence one is. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and then I'll be right back. Okay, I know I look weird. I went ahead and powdered my face, and I like to draw under my brows and kind of create a tail with a brow pencil. And then for a filler product, I will kind of fill in the rest of my brow. So this is the Thick and Wow Fixing Brow Mascara with Volumizing Fibers from Essence. I got mine in the shade Brunette Brown. Sometimes with my brow gel like this, I'll go more of a brown color. I do have black hair, and then my brow pencil will be black, and the two kind of mixed together kind of creates a pretty good shade. So the wand on this is pretty big. I prefer more of a like smaller size for my brows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill them in real quick. I did fill it in really quickly, so I do do like that. Okay, so the brows are looking pretty good. Let me go ahead and apply this REM Beauty Brow Gel now. I've heard such good things about this, and this has the like spiky blonde on one side and then the like white kind of spongy side on the other side. So I'm just really intrigued by this. Okay, so the thing I like about this spongy side on one end is you can really get the product in there, and then you can flip it around and use the spoolie side to kind of like shape the brow. I really like that. Now if it like dries and keeps shape, I'm gonna really appreciate it. Alright, let's move on to, let's see. Other products I picked up was the NYX Jumbo Multi-Face Stick, and I kind of thought this would be good as like a highlighter, or even as like, isn't that pretty? Even as like a just cream eyeshadow. And then I also have the cream highlighter from Juvia's Place in the shade Starstruck. This looks so pretty. I don't know which one to use. The one in the middle is the Juvia's Place one. They're both really pretty. And then I also picked up one of the, this is the NYX Ultimate Glow Shots. They got new shades of these, so I picked up a new pink one. I'm pretty sure I don't have this one. I really wish that cream eyeshadows would not crease on me, but they always crease. I think I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Stick and try to just kind of draw it on and create like a highlighter. So yeah, that actually turned out really pretty. I like this a lot. I think I'm going to use the NYX Glow Shot and kind of just do an all over the eyelid pink look. Okay, I'm just going to kind of take this pink eyeshadow and kind of apply it all over the eye. It's really pretty. That's just one coat. I feel like in order to get a really transparent, like fully pigmented eye look, you're gonna have to really apply a lot of layers. I feel like this is actually kind of lackluster. Like, do you see this? Like it hardly has any color payoff. Like, it's pretty if you want to have like a no makeup look, but like there's like not much pigment there. It's actually really kind of blah. I'm gonna go in and try to apply some more. So here's what the second layer of it looks like. I don't really like having to build up products. Like, I don't really like having to build up products. I'd rather them have a full-on pigment payoff like right in the beginning of the whole start of the product. I feel like that was kind of a letdown, but what can I do? I can't do nothing about it. And I also had just tried out this Maybelline Falsies Surreal Mascara, so I'm going to apply a little bit of that and then kind of come back and give you my thoughts on most of the products. Okay, and we're back. I am loving this Maybelline mascara. Like, this stuff is really good. I highly recommend it if you've not tried this mascara. It is so good. I'm realizing that I forgot to apply this e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm. I got mine in the shade Vanilla Frosting. And I was totally going to apply this at the beginning of the video, but here we are at the end of the video. So it's just a really kind of simple packaging. Each one of the packaging, according to Sense, is kind of a different color. I know they have like grape, kiwi, and, or no, is it honeydew? I don't know. And then strawberry, and I think one other shade. I like this. It smells really good. I love a nice vanilla like frosting smell to my lip balms. And I know I've heard people complaining about the small size, but it's only $4. So, I mean, $4 for a like lip balm is a little bit expensive, but I don't mind it being a little bit smaller. Then way I can kind of like be able to use it up and then be able to filter in new things into my collection in case I like want, you know, always wanting to try out new things. So I actually really like that. It smells really good. Okay, so moving on to, let's see, I tried out the NARS liquid blush first. I really like it. It didn't seem to lift up my foundation or anything, so first impressions, I like it. We're gonna see if I continue to like it. As far as the eyebrows, I really did like the new Essence Thick and Wow. This is really good. I like it. And then the REM Beauty brow gel. My brows seem like set into place and like not stiff, but kind of stiff. I like them just a little bit stiff. So that feels really good. I think I'm going to love this a lot. And the NYX Jumbo highlighting stick, I really like this. And also, these ones, you just twist them up, whereas the other multi-sticks are a sharpener. So I really like this one a lot, and I will have to try out the Juvia's Place later on, since I don't really want to apply two highlighters. And the NYX eyeshadow, again, I wish it was just more pigmented. It's not pigmented enough for me, so that was kind of the only letdown today. And the e.l.f. lip balm, I really like it. It smells really good. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little try on Ulta haul style video. Please don't forget, you guys are absolutely, I mean, I cannot talk. Y'all don't forget, you're absolutely stunning, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.